Good morning, everyone. I'm caught in traffic. Another day in the life of a tiler. I'm going up the highway and there's been an accident in front of me somewhere. So far it's taken an hour and 3/4 and I've still got another quarter of an hour to go. So 2 hours to my job. Whoa, hello, Jesus. And they're thinking about bringing out flying cars. Well, they haven't even got it right down here. See ya, bye. Yeah, well, might as well do a bit of housework while I'm waiting for the traffic. Being a tiler, the dust sort of collects in my van a bit, comes off my clothes, it sort of drifts in one way or the other, but yeah, it's all good. I'm moving at about 4 kilometers an hour. Woohoo! We're off. I could walk to work faster. See ya.